Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with WordPress if it says that your connection is not private. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page. So in the upper right corner of the main page, you can get started with logging into your account, and after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with fixing the problem we might be having, such as the connection isn't safe. So basically what we're looking for, guys, you can see right here, there is an article that already says how to fix your connections not private. So we're going to go ahead and follow the steps that we can find right here, as this is going to go ahead and resolve your problem most likely. So basically it's simple guys, sometimes it's simple just by reloading your page. So you want to reload your WordPress website to see if you'll still be getting that error. So if you reload and you still have that error and you have cleared your cache, then you can go ahead and check it. But basically guys, the most likely problem you're going to be having is either your cache and cookies. So you want to go ahead and go and clear your cache and cookies from your history option right here by clicking the history tab, or you can go into checking date and time settings. So you want to make sure that your date and time settings are matching with the current date and time, because sometimes this is what's going to cause your website to give it the option that connection is not private. So go ahead and check it out, the date and time, make sure it's correct, and clear your cache and cookies. And after trying all of that guys, or even trying incognito mode, this should most likely fix your problem. There are a couple of other things right here that you can try, such as updating your browser or verifying the SSL certificate. You can go ahead and find it yourself right here, but for yourself to test out all the steps. But the most likely problems are going to be the ones I have showed you, and the most likely fixes are those. So what you can do guys is go ahead and check it all out right here to get into deeper detail into what you need to do, but this is most likely going to fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.